Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Stacy. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Today's video is just going to be this cute little pink look that I created. If you're interested in seeing how I came up with this look, then please keep on watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, follow me on all my socials, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Oh, but before we go, I won't be speaking in the video because my aligners are in and my teeth are so sensitive. I'd really rather not do a lot of talking, so it's just gonna be me putting on my makeup and some music in the background. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, well, there you have it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quiet or non-talking tutorial. I appreciate you guys staying with me if you made it this far. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to all my socials that will be listed down below, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.